Good morning students. Today we are starting new chapter, that is sequence. In this type of questions, a long series of alphabets or numbers are given to us and some question will be given to us and we have to find the answer from this series. See, like this here, A, B, like these two alphabets are used. And see what is the first question. How many A's are followed by B's? See what he is saying. How many A are followed by B? Sometimes we say follow me, means followers will come after us. Now, how many A's are followed by B? Who is following here? B is following. Here B, we want to know how many times B is following A or A is followed by B. Means A, suppose I am A, after me B is there. Now see, A is here and B is there. BA means we have to search such position. BA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 6 times is there. How many A's are followed by B? Means 6 times. The answer will be 6. Answer is 6. Now next question. Next question is, how many times exactly 2 A's occur together? 2A. It should not be 3. Exactly 2 means exactly 2. If 3, then we will not consider. 2A. 1. 2A. See here 3 are there. We cannot take like this that 2A. No. Exactly 2 should be together. 2, 3. So answer will be here 3. Answer of this question is 3 here. How many times B's have an A on its left as well as on right? How many B's are there that in left also A, in right also A? Means this position we have to search. Such B we want to find that in left also A, in right also A. See how many are there? See, one this B, in left also A, in right also A. One this B, in left also A, in right also A. And here, one this B, in left also A, in right also A. One this B, in left also A, in right also A. So how many such positions are there? 4. So answer will be 4. Similarly, next question, there is sequence of numbers like 2, 9, 9, 9, 2, 2, 2 and some questions, same questions are like this and you can do very easily. So you will complete this exercise. Now we are starting new chapter, ranking. The next chapter is ranking. Ranking means sometimes we give the exam and we say, ma'am, what is our rank? Means we want to know our position, that we are on second, we or third, what is the position. So here also today we will study about ranking. Suppose 3 persons are there, one is Ram, Sham, Sonu, let us take one more, Monu, and one Ankit. See, 5 children are there. And I want to know what is the position of Sonu. This is our left side, this is our right side. Sometimes we write now left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is right side, this is left side. If we will see from the left, what is his rank, position? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means he is 4th position from the left and 2nd position from the right. If anyone asks the position of Ram, 2nd from left, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4th from the right. So in this way, or suppose 5 students are standing in a row and we want to know what is the position of Sham, then we will say he is 2nd from left also, he is 2nd from right also. Or you can give the number that he is 4th from the left and he is second from the right. So today we will study the sums related to ranking. In first question he is saying that there is a goods train and 25 wagons are attached to the engine. First question I am telling you. He is saying there is a train. See, this is the engine of the train. And with this engine 25 wagons are there. Total 25 wagons are there. 25 wagons. And in the last, who will sit? Guard will be there in the last. See, this is last wagon. Let us take this is the 25th. And this is first. This is first and wagon and this is 25th wagon. And he is saying the 13th wagon is loaded with perishable items. There is one 13th wagon. It is loaded with perishable items. He is saying what is the position? This 13th position is from here. Then what is the position from the guard, means from the back? What is the position of this wagon from the back, from the last, from the guard's cabin? See, this is the 13th wagon. Means from here to here, how many wagons are here? 12 wagons are here. And total are how many? 25. This is the last wagon. 12 are here. This is 13. Total are 25. 25 minus 13, 12. Means here also 12 are here. From here to here. Last will be 25th, means 11 are here. Now see what is the position of this wagon. It is the 13th from the starting, from engine side. And we want to know what is its position of this wagon from the last. This we want to find. See, from here if we will see, this is 13th position, means 12 wagons are this side, in the left side. And in the right, how many are there? 12, total 12. 11 plus 1, 12. So what is its position? 13th will be its position. 1 plus 11, 12. 12 plus 1, this 13th position is there. So we will say from the guard cabin also position will be 13th. 13th rank will be there. Or you can think like this. 12 here, 12 here. Last will be of guard. It is understood. 12 plus 12 plus 1. Total 25 are there. From starting 13th rank, from the last also 13th rank. So answer will be 13th position. Now let us do second question. In second question he is saying at a ticket counter 35 people are standing in a row. See, this is a ticket counter. Ticket counter it is. 35 people are standing in a row. How many people are standing here? 35. And Mohit position. Position of Mohit is 15th. 15th position from the ticket counter. Then what is his position from the end? This we want to know. See, this is 15th rank of Mohit. Then how many people are standing here? 14. 14. Then it will be 15. Now 14 plus 1, 15. And total people are how many? 35. 35 minus 15. That is 20 people are standing in the right of the Mohit. And now see from the last, what is the position of Mohit? 20 plus 1. That is 21st rank will be there of Mohit from the end. 15 from the starting and 20 plus 1. 21st position will be of from the back. So answer is 21st. Now let us do question number 3. Very easy sums these are. Some students are standing in a line for a PT drill. Sumit, how many students are there? We don't know. There is one boy, Sumit, and its position is 12th from the left. 12th position means 11 students are standing here. That's why position of Sumit is 12th. And he is saying, and 13th from the right. Position of Sumit is 13th from the right. Means this is 13th position, means 12 students are standing here. Now he is asking how many students are total, are standing in the line. So how we will count? See, 11 plus 12 plus Sumit. So how many are there? 24 students are total in the row. So you can do these sums. Let us do one more question. Question number 6, I am telling you that some cars are standing in a row. Mohit car is third from the left. See, this is the car of Mohit. And its position is third from the left. Means two cars are standing here. And one car is of Sunela. And its position is second from the right. Second from the right means one car is here. And 8 cars are between them. 8 are there. Then how many total cars are there? See, 2 plus 1, 3. This is car of Mohit. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. It means total 13 cars are there. So like this, from you can do these sums very easily. Okay. Thank you.